This whole video is pretty impromptu, just 'cause I was taking a shortcut through a church in Richmond in Melbourne, and the light was really great. There was this cool stone wall, so I pulled over and started to shoot. So this is the XE Falcon. It's a Wayne Draper design, all done while he was at Ford, but there was no official Ford affiliation. It was built to support the motor racing program in the early 80s. It's got all the bits on it that cams wouldn't allow on the Group C race cars. And this is the road-going version of the Group C. Cams wanted to stick to the notion of production car racing, but wanted to run bigger wheels and wings, but without being too removed from the road car.
Those alloy wind splints, you press a button and they fling out and shred other cars to bits. The Phase 6 bonnet vent there sucks all the hot air out for you.
The race car had the front bar, the flares and the rear wing, and that's all. But not that rear wing, a ducktail. Bird bath for the XE, because they didn't allow a gap between the wing and the deck lid. The rear door handles work. Hey. If you think that was a fluke, here's the other side. Door handles work on all HO builds. At least 2 times out of 5. Our guarantee to you. Tinted tail lamps, totally legal as long as you don't cover up the reflectors. Black suede interior, red stitching. Those door cards were designed for the XE but didn't end up on a Falcon till the XF. That's just for looks, doesn't work. That works. The roof spoiler, that'll cut your turbulence in two, sends the air to the rear wing.
The blacked out section at the bottom of the windscreen, Dad said, look, it's going to make the windscreen look longer. We all thought he was nuts. He did it. We all stood back and thought, fuck, he's right.
XF side mirrors, but designed for the XE originally. So everything, all the bits on this car are fully functional. You'll have to be going about 300 kilometres per hour for it to work, but whatever they were doing down Conrod back in the day, like 270, 280. Momo steering wheel, HO cluster, red glove around the gear stick, like the originals. Boring cars in the rear view. We'll go into the underneath another time. This is about the bodywork and what has to be done. So the guards there have to be cut to enable the flares. And the bonnet needs to be cut for the bonnet vent. The one-piece front bar replaces the XE front bar. You have to drill holes in the deck lid there to put the wing on. Other than that, it's all pretty self-explanatory. ESP headlights, clear indicators. Thanks for watching. If you like it, we've got other videos you can watch.